आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question is, in triangle AES, T is the midpoint of XE and P is the midpoint of ET. If triangle APE is the equilateral of side length equal to unity, then the value of AX square is. So we have to find out the value of AX square. So first of all, for understanding this question, first of all make a triangle, that is, let's say this is a triangle here, let's say this triangle of AEX, this triangle of AEX here. Now it is given that T is the midpoint of XE. So let's say this is the point which is the midpoint of XE. Let's say this is the point that is midpoint of XE and P is the midpoint of ET. So from here we have the midpoint of ET is, let's say this is the midpoint of ET, that is P point. Now triangle APE is the equilateral side of length equal to unity. So the triangle of APE is equilateral. So the unit of here is 1, 1 and 1. So we have to find out the value of AX square. Now here in the given question, it is given that AE, that is equal to EP, that is equal to AP, that is equal to what? That is equal to 1 here. So the value of AP, that is equal to PT, that is equal to what? 1. So the value of AP and PT is also 1 here. So this value is also 1 here. So from here we have the value of EAT, because it is a isosceles triangle. So the value of triangle EAT, that is equal to what? The value of triangle EAT is 90 degree, that is 90. So the value of AT, that is this triangle, the value of this value is, so the value of AT, that is equal to what? Under root 3. So the value here is under root 3. Now we have to find out the value of triangle ATX. So the value of triangle ATX, that is the triangle value of triangle that is equal to ATX. So it is an isosceles triangle. So the value of this is 30 degree. So the value of this triangle is what? So the value of this triangle is 150 degree. This angle is 150 degree. So from here now the value of triangle ATX, that is equal to what? 150 degree here. Now if the value of triangle ATX is 150 degree, so from here if we in triangle ATX, if we apply cosine rule here, so what it becomes? If we apply cosine rule here, then here it becomes AX square, that is equal to 3 plus 4 minus 4 under root 3 cos 150 degree, that is equal to, from here 3 plus 4 is 7 and the value of here is 6. So plus 6, that is equal to 13 degree. So the value of AX square here is the value of AX square, that is equal to what? 13 degree. And if we see our options here, if we see our questions here, so the value of AX square is 13 degree and this is our final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।